Welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to be dekitting my, what's it called, Saner Direct project that I had finished. I will link the review video somewhere in this video. So yeah, this is the project I'm, what's it called, dekitting. And there's 30 colors and these are round. Okay, so I'm not going to do this in real time. It's going to be a time lapse, but I do use what's it called, the photo box system. I have card that I, what they call that, cut out from mail. And I have one for every DMC. And I have, what's it called, bags. Well, this is a square one, but I have bags with square or round with the DMC number, the name of the color, and then I just keep, I guess it's almost like a souvenir now, but keep the label from my kit so that this is just my way of being like, oh, look, I must have had maybe 3 different diamond paintings at least in this bag. I was like, wow, this is actually a lot of, but yep. So gonna be kitting this up and I'll say hi at the end of the video. Okay. done. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment, and let me know how I'm doing. Bye.